Hi, welcome back to another video. So this here is the east side of our house, and it's actually about 1-2 o'clock in the afternoon right now, and as you can see it's shaded, so it's actually perfect for me to work on this side of the house right now. What I'm going to do is just to do some paint patching on some of the bare spots around the house. I'm also going to try and cover the grey paint with white, and that's so that I can help with the upkeep. So doing these little spot paints is going to provide longevity to the paint system overall, so that I'll have more time in between full paint jobs.